Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Some micro teardowns for you today. These are timing crystals of old timepieces, watches and such. So you got the pure aluminium casing as usual with most timing crystals. The legs, probably tin or nickel, maybe copper. And the inside, the interesting part. You either have silver contact as you can see there, or gold contacts, those tiny elements that you see there. So this could be a double whammy. You can either have gold or silver within these tiny things. And these are watch crystals. So I got this one from the pedometer that I recently teared down. So let's see what's inside that. Either silver or gold inside of this. Just squeeze it until you hear that pop. That means the membrane inside has broken. What have we got in this one? It looks like... not sure. Ooh, silver. That's definitely quite a bit of silver there. So, we have silver inside of this. Quite a bit. This is most likely in its pure state, similar to the crystals that I usually tear apart. So, micro crystals, micro scrapping. These are very small. But as you can see, there is some precious metals to be had within. Try and get a view closer. There we go. See that piece there? That's silver. All this white dust is pretty much glassy stuff, but there is some microparticles of silver trapped within there, as you can see, so it's worth collecting it all. Plus some pure aluminium and some other stuff. No gold this time, but we did get some silver. So, very nice salvage for a very small package. Till next time.